eggless chocolate cake. Very delicious. Brown sugar or regular sugar 3 cups. Maida all-purpose flour 3 cups. Oil 2/3 cup. Dark cocoa powder 1.5 cup. Vinegar, baking soda, coffee powder and salt. Hot water 3 cups. Sugar, coffee powder, salt, hot water. Mix it well until sugar melts. Add oil and vinegar. Add maida little by little and mix it well. Add cocoa powder little by little and mix it well. It is very delicious. Add baking soda and mix it well. Preheat the oven. Add butter paper to baking pan and apply butter and spread some flour. Add cake mix and baking pan and spread evenly. Bake the cake for 30 to 40 minutes. Prepare the chocolate frosting, butter 1 cup, milk, icing sugar, vanilla essence and cocoa powder. Beat the butter. Add icing sugar and mix it well. Add cocoa powder and mix it well. Add milk and mix it well. All things mix it well for better results. And add vanilla essence and mix it again. Cake is ready. Remove the parchment paper, cut the top layer. Cut the cake into multiple layers. Apply the chocolate frosting and add chocolate frosting and spread evenly. Layer the second layer and spread the chocolate frosting again. apply the frosting all around the cake. Prepare the step layer. Place the top layer on bottom layer and apply the frosting. Nicely make rounded and finish the edge. Use water. Cake step base is ready for decoration. I am decorating with Kit Kat, Hershey Hugs and others. Place the Kit Kat all around the base. Very delicious and well decorated. Birthday is going to be very amazing and delicious and funny and beautiful. Serve with Joe eggs and jellies placed on it. Chocolate cake is ready for serving.